Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate sales follow-ups with reply.io. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To automate sales follow-ups with reply.io, first, log into your reply.io account. Navigate to the dashboard to get started. Click on the Sequences tab in the main menu. Select Create New Sequence to begin building your follow-up. Name your sequence clearly to reflect the purpose. Add the initial message that will introduce your follow-up. Use a personalized greeting to engage your recipient. Set the timing for when this message should be sent. Next, click on Add Step to create your follow-up messages. Choose the format of the follow-up, such as email or call. Craft engaging content for each follow-up message. Ensure that each message offers value to the recipient. Set specific intervals for when these follow-ups will occur. Consider using reminders if manual tasks are involved. Utilize reply.io's templates for quick message creation. Make sure to customize each template to suit your audience. Once done, review your sequence for clarity and effectiveness. Click on Save to preserve your progress. To activate the automation, select Start Sequence. Integrate any CRM tools to enhance your workflow. Monitor the performance of your follow-ups in the Analytics section. Adjust your sequence based on engagement and response rates. Keep your content fresh by regularly updating your messages. Test different subject lines to optimize open rates. Engage with leads who respond to your follow-ups promptly. This will help build rapport and increase conversion chances. Now you're ready to automate your sales follow-ups with reply.io. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.